Escabeche. Ingredients: 1 kilo, fish, cleaned, any kind of fish. 1 pieces, red bell pepper, sliced. 1 pieces, onion, sliced. 1 pieces, Knorr Cube or 1 teaspoon, M.S.G, optional. 3 cloves, garlic, crushed. 1 cup, vinegar. 1/2 cup, sugar. 1/2 cup, cooking oil. 1/2 teaspoon, salt. 1 teaspoon, whole peppercorn. Cooking procedure: put cooking oil in a frying pan. Heat. Then fry both sides of the fish until a bit crispy. Set aside. Heat a clean pan and pour in the vinegar. Let boil. Add sugar, whole peppercorn, and galic. Cook. Put in the onion and red bell pepper. Stir and cook until the vegetables are tender. Sprinkle salt or Knorr Cube. Optional. Stir. Put in the fried fish. Cook for 4 minutes. Thank you for watching. Ingredients: 500 grams, fish, cleaned. 10 pieces.